Hi, you're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this video, we're going to be discussing all about Nykaa. Nykaa shares seem to be getting back on track. Why? Because Nykaa shares surged about 4% after the company's net profit jumped 50% on a year-on-year basis in the July to September quarter. What's more is that top global brokerage houses now believe that Nykaa shares have the potential to give you up to 40% returns even now, as there is robust merchandising that the company is betting big on, and the user growth numbers are also looking promising. Also, after today's surge, Nykaa shares are nearly turning positive for the year 2023, and this comes right after the Q2 earnings as well. Remember, for the September quarterly earnings, we did see that Nykaa had reported a revenue growth of 22.4% as compared to last year, while the operating profit or the EBITDA also increased by 32% on a year-on-year basis. The company's beauty and personal care business grew by about 19% during the quarter, while the fashion business, which is a relatively smaller part of the business, grew by about 32% year-on-year as well. Now, what are the top global brokerage houses saying, and why are they so bullish on Nykaa despite all the troublesome periods that Nykaa has gone through? ICICI Securities, in its recent note, has said that the stock has now derated over the last 1 year, primarily due to concerns on the fashion segment, and that September quarter results really show material improvement in the contribution margin for the fashion segment as well. ICICI Securities believes that the stock is now likely to re-rate in the near term, further aided by the strong festive season, which will now flow into the December quarter, and it has now raised the target price on Nykaa higher to 185 rupees from 165 rupees that it had planned earlier. Now, Morgan Stanley has also given an overweight rating on Nykaa with a target price of 173 rupees per share, and also again believes that the shift in the festive season in the third quarter is going to be further driving factor for the stock price to go ahead as well. Jefferies has also given a bullish rating on Nykaa. On Nykaa, it has believed that the strong revenue growth was led by strong user growth in the key segments of both fashion and beauty, and therefore Jefferies has now given a target price of 200 rupees on Nykaa as well. Now, HSBC, this brokerage house, is the most bullish on Nykaa and says that the target price that they have given on Nykaa is 240 rupees as a target price, which when compared to the current market price really looks as an upside potential of 40%. Remember, Nykaa shares have actually had a downhill moment the entire last 1.5 years after getting listed. It had got listed on a very high valuation, then came down. We did see a lull period as well, a lot of controversial steps taken by the company, but now things look brighter, and most of these global brokerage houses are now giving a positive rating on Nykaa as well. Not just 10-20, but over the next 1 year's period of time or 12 months period of time, almost a 40% upside is what we can hope to see on Nykaa if you believe these brokerage houses as well. However, do speak to your own financial advisor before investing in Nykaa shares or any of the other shares that are spoken on this platform about. With that, we will continue to get you all these informative videos in case you want to know about what should be your strategy with respect to specific stocks and what are top global brokerage houses and top analysts really talking about those stocks, insights into the earnings and the outlook going forward as well. So stay tuned on Business Today Television to catch all the updates from the world of stock markets.